This is Lisa with Holland Designs Crochet. This is a close-up look at the latest design in the 2026 Afghan Club. This is the beautiful new Water Garden Afghan. It is a 4-row repeat and it creates a gorgeous reversible texture. So the swatch I made today when I was filming the video demo, and I'll show you the reverse side. So it is a reversible pattern. Both sides are pretty and both are a little bit different. The main color that you use will be visible on this side, and the contrasting color is more visible on this side. So for the pattern itself, you'll need two colors. You'll need a main color and a contrasting color. For me, the main color was this Karen's Skinny Cakes. This one is Lime Twist. So I really liked having that multicolored cake for my main color. And then the contrasting colors, I used different solid color skeins like this rose. Then I went into like a linen or natural. This one was a denim blue. And then I also changed to this pale green. So I'm still working on my sample. I haven't quite finished it yet, but I know quite a few have been waiting patiently for this new design to come out. So I am getting this out for you now. Again, this is one from the 2026 Afghan Club, which has quite a few patterns in it already. There's a couple more to come still for this year, but we've got quite a few designs in there already. The yarn that I used here is a light worsted weight yarn, and I also used a K-hook, a 6.5 millimeter. This would be beautiful also in something a little bit heavier, so definitely give it a try with a medium worsted weight. You can see the drape and the softness is absolutely gorgeous. It has a lovely texture, but it's not super heavy, so you could definitely use a heavier yarn for this and it wouldn't be too much. So if you're interested in the pattern, I'll put the links in the description box and you can check it out. And I hope you enjoy this beautiful new Water Garden Afghan.